Same people could with the power. Chairman to me must become the national chairman. You can't be a spiritual when you're very strong. Chairman to me, you can't leave him out. Why? Chairman to me is on the heart of God. Many will not know. MPP can come to power by the mistakes of the NDC.
Okay.
And not just Yamen as a member of power. There is going to be tensions. And it is going to look like Bawumia will lose. But Bawumia will win. And as I'm talking to you, everything I'm seeing is in favor of Bawumia. You say Bawumia must not become president. Yes, because of his negotiation with the Arabs. Until that negotiation is changed from the table, some of us won't sit down to see this nation go into the hand of certain people. It does not Bawumia. He will become the president of this country as a Muslim, and he will do better than everybody. I said, Ashidun Ketia must not be the flag bearer of NDC.
Too much GH and it was so she. I was saying, could be for Neman Pabanafi in Co. But if from Wakwaba,
That's it.
Papa Diaboko,
And Domnia Homo.
and a phone procure upon about the casse NPP party will be a bona fide property. Who individual being for party nation to Munyani will play. Sabre NPP baby a woman Jane. After 2026, party no, it's the same.
Well, NPP have 12 years to be in opposition for a rebuilding.
NDC was 12 years to be in power.
Yes.
NDC was 12 years to be in opposition.
To be in opposition for rebuilding.
Okay.
Are you getting me? So the only way they are now, they can continue doing it. But the tension in the party is not going to stop until what has been tied is loosed.
Yeah, baby.
Maybe a chicken donkey, no. It is still there.
Ready for donkey, very once now, okay.
Maybe so everything.
Sabre NDC spiritual back is a deal about power year and say you're more for me. Still like people for 12 years now. And to me myself 4 years, you wanted to be me in no power.
Make 3 mistakes of the NDC. Now, which they are heading towards. MPP can come to power by the mistakes of the NDC.
Okay.
And not just Yamen as a member of power. But by your mistakes, you can lose what you have by your mistakes.
Okay.
You can lose everything. God can give you something, but by your mistakes and your errors, you can lose it. You know that my mistakes can make me lose the anointing I have.
Okay.
I can do certain things. Only anointing influence, so gift to one influence, but gift to no any juma.
But that was okay.
That is it. So your mistake can make you lose everything that you have. Obi mistake I'm not losing the sources, the wealth onya. Obi mistake I'm not losing a warrior. Obi mistake I'm not losing the juma. Obi mistake ne sika wenya woni wiase mu wa ba. Obi mistake I'm not will lose the demo and no surrounds and ready. Are you getting me? So your mistakes can take you to opposition in 4 years.
And maybe just Dr. Mahama Bawumia and the mistake or yeah, and so my brother ban camp ever supporting because as my brother Kano, actually said Dr. Mahama Bawumia more tagging as or ye antichrist into Dr. Mahama Bawumia, the mistake near Brony, it's in the air course and obey Lucy primaries.
There is going to be tensions, and it is going to look like Bawumia will lose. But Bawumia will win.
Bawumia may win.
Yeah.
2026.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Bawumia
is going to win the primaries.
For then about the casa.
I know what is in the court of heaven.
That is a spiritual realms, you know.
Yes. Some can say there are things Kennedy have to do in 1 year.
Okay.
Michelle Kennedy won't come. Actually, Kennedy near 1 year. Now it is before the 2024 election. And I make catch Kennedy said, yeah. A group of Kennedy USA.
Okay.
And performing a bar home. And the baby Sam and I make catch him say, Kennedy will be the next flag bearer of the NPP after the 2024 election. And I said, then Kennedy to become the flag bearer, he must not do this one. He must not do this one. he must not, or you will be luzu, or you will be luzu, or you will be luzu.
Okay.
Because Bawumia is not going to win the 2024 election. So when we reach 2024 election now, they are going to go into another primaries. Almost our primaries now. Because Nipa Adelu Kranini Nuwa Aya Alantino, Kennedy is going to become the next flag bearer. The same things I told them that Kennedy should not do, Kennedy did it and he breached the rule.
And you maybe to say that because it says you're sure not Kenna. First Ken, and yes, they say Ken in the who they say would be idea that says honorable was a son or why presidential.
So he is war by him the ecosystem. Nipa hwe so ba nyame hwe akunu akoma. Udi ni so na woni.
Other prophets so about one say be kire say honorable Ken na ba na wo kopre na kasa no nya ono na adwene no de ko e sunsun bi de twen de ne ba it sa sunsun na e de ne kwa kodi nkuni.
Well, let's say out the end. The same way they were prophesying about me away. The same way people were saying all kind of things. The same way these prophets were prophesying and about me be winning and about me being away. And echo you know what happened. The same way some of these prophets in 2020 they were prophesying President Mahama is going to win the election. Once Mahama will not be president in 2020. They will even go to court, they will fold the paper and throw it in the dustbin. They tag us. They insulted us. Did they win 2020 election? No. Yekasomba 2024. Are they not in power now? When we decide, when the watchers decide, when the holy ones decide, I will do what I have to do. And Bawumia will win.
Dr. Muhammad Bawumia.
If God asks me to do it, I'll do it.
Send all you be ever say yourself. Say yourself with Dr. So.
Yamika Semenye de SSMA.
Okay.
Why? Because the mean to me and Yama can say there are petitions before court of heaven against him and also.
From who by who?
I told you there are voices from the grave. I told you there are voices speaking to the court of heaven from the grave. I told you things are in the. I told you prophets are talking to God. Men of God are talking to God. They are crying to God. Unless those errors are corrected.
But there are some men of God so and one man of God, Prophet Nayogazi, nipa bakwa, and the Ghana do be himself on a doctor on a honorable can appropriate Japan Montemone for one Casabra say, a dear honorable dear and old me fan channel. But on any Pacoya Beca saying, Yami Yachan is a flag bearer now epic before Quacopreno. Can he be the moon?
That is him. But ask whether he is praying for him.
There be also one pie man.
That is it.
As soon as Yamia canon or kind.
But what is in court of heaven, that is all we are looking at.
In saying that, me knew what you but I mean, say, so say, when you know, cost war heaven, not if soon you drew her petition in our heaven, dear. And then not having one won't bend the chair, Professor Yugizanano. Yami bend the dad, did the chair and said, honorable baby, and as that time, not voice is snake.
No, I don't say, who say, that is why during the election 2024, I already keep my word. Say I won't talk against any man of God.
Okay.
Because we are not in Yami Kasana Menihobi.
Okay.
But I only talk about what I know and what I can see. What I see is what I will tell you. And as I'm talking to you, everything I'm seeing is in favor of Bawumia. Okay. In the realms of the spirit. Okay. That is it.
But if we share NPP party leadership, no. If you must be weak, if you say election of a community, you almost like community son or maba. Now you are going to make a statement. We say album come with the Pacotrabano. Or by ye delegates in BDF near they won't support one candidate. Be I am out to be. Party number one said the issue statement says some now bronye and chairman would me kayano and your party stance no or much on wood if you Ghana for name before beaches and ye enough. And Kabaya sa chairman for me and woman you free party. Now some dream room. Would you decide party leadership for NPP no? Only strong enough for meeting me a really power 2028 and now meets me as a prime minister. I'm not free and fair.
Same people crab with the power. Chairman to me. must become the national chairman.
Apostle, no, that is a petition. I put in
yes, yes.
On the bit of a national chairman.
Yes, for MPP to win power.
Okay.
I'm telling you. One person, if you joke with, and you almost any passion is so, you can't be a spiritual when you're very strong. Chairman to me, you can't leave him out. You can't leave Chairman to me out.
Okay.
I'm telling you. Why Chairman to me is on the heart of God. Many will not know. Yes. So for MPP to win power, as a Chairman to me, a national chairman.
Okay.
That's why I said they need a change in all the leadership.
Na JFK.
They need a change.
Nabi.
Because all these people are towards an agenda.
Agenda bear.
They are towards certain agenda.
Against who?
Which is their interest and not the party interest.
Okay.
Not the interest of the MPP.
Current executives.
Yes. Yes. May I always say, don't try to force Bawumia on anybody. Let the election be free and fair. Whosoever win, let him win. Whosoever God says should win, let him win. Or maybe we need to let the person win fairly. Let everybody see. Now, one of the reasons why when some people came to me as okay, if I pray to God and God agree for me to help Bawumia, I will help Bawumia is that the things I am seeing on Ken's side and all the prophet I'm seeing going to his side, I want to go on the other side and see what will happen.
Okay. Oh, challenge it.
No. I just want to go to the other side. Yes. This is who win.
And when we say a young people for na delegate conference, they are called Swaba. Now, so Omo na ku yi nipa de abre Ghana say yento ne Swaba. Honorable attaching ababontia make say, Sabro my Ghana be a yeduno. Ye here will be a businessman. Ye here will be a economist. And what's near bo mine. Apostle name is as Ocean Ghana may be a year to year. See the businessman Jinaho near the economist Jinawa. Why no mine here no say?
For me, I won't say yeah, you be a yammy, whether business or whether economy, you be a yammy.
Okay.
Because the yammy will be to fulfilling the agenda of God and the plans of God concerning the nation.
Okay.
So that's it. And it is not in the books for Kennedy to become president.
Ghana.
Yes.
Ever.
Because of something.
Something.
Because of something. Which is holding. It is before the watches. Anybody that is dealing with the watchers and the holy ones who knows things about God will tell you. I'm telling you.
Crowd up a people.
I can tell you one prophet. Go and ask him.
Okay.
He will tell you everything. He will tell you Ken's mistake. He will tell you Ken's errors. He will tell you what is it there. Should I mention his name?
Now you could be son apostle.
Could be prophet Clement.
Prophet Clement.
Yes.
Okay.
Ode Shosheno. That could be son. Clement testimony. Look for that prophet and go and ask him that what is it about Ken. He will tell you. I'm telling you because I know the level he's operating. So when you meet people in certain dimensions talking, we want people who are in another dimension to tell you what exactly it is. That is why you can be here and say, we want Ashidun Ketia to come. What am I saying? I said Ashidun Ketia must not be the flag bearer of NDC. Even every prophet is saying Ashidun Ketia. Who they are collaborating with Jina Hone, now because one NDC for flag bearer, one Ebeya, one more Ashidun Ketia, because it is obvious, it is clear. But we are telling you that they are not the choice.
So the bad side is experience who here politics more.
They are not the choice.
Experience who here.
It is not about experience. It is about God's choice. So that's it.
Okay.
Because when Asidun Ketia comes, it means the lamp holder has left the lamp. It means the green pot holder has left it. It means the rod holder has left the rod. And to Moses, nan kese se okita rod no, nan ko man nsa so, e wo pepo no so, na Israel fo din konim no, onya no so meko ana. That is it. The moment the hand of Moses go down, Israel will lose.
Okay.
That is Asidun Ketia for you. That is how powerful he is. So he must not come into the race. He must be the Moses.
For the NDC party.
And because he's the lamp holder, when the prophet is standing in a dimension, looking at him leading, he will just tell you, Asidun Ketia is the one who is coming. Because they don't see beyond. They don't know the agenda. They don't know what is there.
So with and before then, what kind of point blank is that on what can I compare with Japan because of petitions that there was already found with the Yadu bit of Ghana man.
Yeah. If the prayers prayed against Ken, we bet you not the prophesy about Ken, but the prayers that are prayed against him, the whippings of certain things that are against him, if those prayers now they were done before he's coming on.
Odi for yenya so for mane be ka say man pani John Doma ne Mahama ne nsa ho wo muja ne nsa ho hufi ni ade nti Ghana konwa de wontimi betina so bi na say mpo Ghana fo nim ye mistake san de betina konwa ne so owe no oman be kum ni ade no enya asem keto ewi achi no yesi nyame se na kuma penti de oman na san man.
That one was politics.
It's then it we sonye politics.
It was politics. Because who say oye dio bibi.
Sene sa no bi so hwe be ka say yes you who say we aba bonte be can be there from apart from
when we are all in this country. We are all in this country. We saw what Ken did against the church, against the gospel. In such a way, he even said it is not necessary to go to church, to go and pray. It is useless. You must work hard than going to pray. Do you think a man can ridicule God? Yes.
And yes, sanity mo na no di benya miso ni oye ye na no amwa asofo na e bega se mo ye wo mo fake na wo oyi wo mo free mu ana enipa ye ni da wo fake for no.
Do you know the prophet who died? Do you know the prophet who were destroyed? Can you fight for God?
No.
You don't go to church and you are fighting for church. You don't go to church. You are fighting for church. It was politics. It's not fighting for God. Because they were prophesying for another party.
But I saw for this one about no yeah.
That is the people that are with him. Because all the year be more there.
Okay.
Or say you be no sorry. Me be more there. I'm no prophet who has never risen again because of Ken. I'm no churches who has collapsed because of him. Me Kaminyaya. I love his good works. I love his good works. Now I'm pecking as well. Yes, I love his good works. Especially the things he has been doing for humanity. So I was praying for him until I saw what I saw.
Okay.
I could say IGP Dampare. The man who said IGP Dampare will go. When the people came to me and say, we want you to pray for IGP Dampare to continue to be the IGP. And when I was in prayer, and God said, stop it. And God began to show me things. Then I said, okay, if this is it, then let it be.
Okay.
And then I told all of them. And then Madam Pare, I'm maintaining. Because I follow what I see. I don't follow people blindly.
Okay.
Because when say me do with my work or time anymore, and I may do with my would be a dominant crowd and they are caught anymore. Why should I follow you? That is it.
Apostle, the crack.
You see? And I will end with this that people say, You said Bawumia must not become president. Yes, because of his negotiation with the Arabs.
Yeah, Apostle, who confused? We're not coming to the crackers. Who was confused?
Yes.
Who's on the baby flag bearer? That is, we never many people believe.
That doesn't mean that you become president.
Into we never Belusi.
That doesn't mean that you become president.
Into we never Belusi. And yes, sir.
Now, until that negotiation is changed from the table, some of us won't sit down to see this nation go into the hand of certain people.
So, like I said, negotiation with the Arabs are open so interesting because they're Arabian countries now. Developed countries are almost too pompa. Into a be a no Muslim, so no more negotiation or the negotiation is a bad of my Ghana. I'm a
you know, it is not whether Muslim and your person then a bit of my way so. Or then a bit Ghana mine so I had do so. It is not Bawumia. He will become the president of this country as a Muslim and he will do better than everybody.
Yes, Haruna Bruce name fear wedi.
Yes.
And this Sabri send a Ghana Mabuni abre. Now what more chess and Quakrafoni by you?
You who for the 80 years a man penny.
So over no 80 years.
No, are we not seeing it? Mahama, how many years?
Obey president is one the youngest president.
Who?
Mahama.
No, and me and Mahama. Okay. Or how many years? Unya power no how many years?
It's in favor Haruna.
I'm telling you, you become president, and you are saying, I can tell you people that become president. I can tell you about Sami JV. I can tell you about Ato Forsen. I can tell you about people. And I can tell you when they become president. So, as for that one, I did that. But because of the Arabs and the Fulanis, that is why I got scared when I see that Bawumia want to become president. Because of the Arabs and the Fulanis. What will happen in this country?
The
country will be invaded on, and then Ghana will no more be Ghana again. Like saying that these Igbo people want to come and take over Ghana. That is what is going to happen.
Say, Dr. Mahama Bawumia be a man penny dear.
Yeah. Yeah. Unless something change. Unless we sit on the table and cancel certain things.
Apostle,
but that's it. Thank you.
I will say I had a grandma and communicating in Apostle Bosheba and I did and common messages over their comments or comment section for at the Amami, all the social media platforms so over. Too much it goes as far like no share now Apple phone so any beer dark gold and I'm do so the best.